Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joy and it's a pleasure to welcome you to Joy's family. If this is your first time seeing this face, please don't make it your last. This is a safe space for you where kindness meets respect. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'll be taking you guys into the world of in-flight entertainment, specifically focusing on that little screen that is right in front of you at your seat. Guys, it's time to take off. Are you ready for takeoff? Yeah! But hey, wait. Something somewhere tells me like some of you have not hit that subscription button. I'll only give you 3 seconds of your time. And remember, it's free to subscribe. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you just subscribed. Thank you so much. But did you share me out? Okay, 2 seconds for that. 1, 2. We are really growing, guys. Did you turn on that notification bell? You just did it. Congratulations. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing me out, and for turning on the notification bell. This did not just help our channel grow, but this is also a motivation for me to continue giving you the content that you guys like. So sit back, relax, and let's take off. Which city should I take you to? Do you want New York, Atlanta, or Los Angeles? I think I shall take you guys to Los Angeles. So let's get started. Once you get seated, you'll realize that your screen is already set on home screen to help you navigate and maximize your in-flight entertainment experience. The home screen features includes the flight tracker, the aircraft type, the airports operated by the specific airline you're traveling with, the food, the drinks, and the Wi-Fi offered. Let's begin by powering on your monitor screen. You really don't have to stress about this part because before your flight, the engineers and the entertainment team get this part situated to ensure that your monitor screen is in a good working condition and ready to be used during your flight. However, you can navigate your screen using the remote control for those passengers seated in business class and touch screens for those passengers seated in the main cabin. For those passengers who have long-haul flights, I will highly recommend that you get familiar with the navigation system, whether it's a touch screen or remote. Understanding how to navigate through menus is crucial. It's usually intuitive, so explore freely because you have a lot of time to get situated. Your monitor screen has movies and TV show selections. You can explore the genre's latest release movies, kids entertainment, reality shows, live TV shows, and more hidden entertainment gems. Your flight might offer an impressive selection to keep you entertained. If you're kind of a person who loves to listen to music and podcasts, you can create your own personalized playlist or unwind with a captivating podcast from your in-flight soundtrack. How beautiful is that? For the game lovers, you are not left behind. Many flights have a range of fun games like Sudoku, chess, solitaire, among others to keep you entertained. From classic to new release, you will find something to enjoy. What language do you speak again apart from English? Your monitor screen has language preference. You can always adjust language preferences at monitor screen available for various continents. Set it to your preferred language for a seamless experience when you want to watch your favorite movies. One of my favorite features on the monitor screen is the interactive route and map. I find it very cool because it helps you check out your flight path and see the countries and cities you're flying over and get an estimate of when you'll arrive to a final destination. It's a great way to stay engaged during those long-haul flights, and it's just like having your personal GPS in the sky. Now, let's navigate through your flight information section. Here you'll find details of your current altitude, airspeed, remaining time until you reach your destination, your seat number, and a 3D image of your flight equipment from outside. It's like having a mini cockpit experience right at your seat. Guys, the other cool feature about your flight information is that you really don't have to look over the other passenger's shoulder to be aware of what's going on the outside. If you have a middle seat or an aisle seat, you can simply use your monitor screen window icon and it will give you a 3D glimpse of the outside environment. How cool is that? Let's talk about comfort in the skies. This comes with your seat controls. Some monitors allow you to adjust your seat position directly. If you need assistance, there is usually a call button to summon your favorite flight attendant. For those of you who are traveling as business personnel, this is a plug for you. If you want to keep up with your emails and wrap up some of your unfinished business, some flights provide Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected even at 30,000 feet. Check out the options available, and if needed, purchase a Wi-Fi plan to use your devices during the flight. If you have a preferred brightness and volume setting, your monitor screen will help you customize brightness and volume settings by tailoring the screen to your comfort and adjusting the volume for an optimal audio experience. Most people that travel international and you fancy duty-free items, check out onboard shopping and services on the monitor screen. Some flights offer duty-free shopping and access to additional services through the in-flight monitor. The most important part of your flight is the safety demonstration of your flight. You're able to enhance your flight demonstration announcements directly on your flight monitoring screens, ensuring a clear view and understanding of the crucial safety procedures before taking off to the friendly skies. Guys, we've come to the end of our in-flight entertainment. I'm hoping this guide was helpful and you're gonna be navigating your monitor screens like a pro next time you're traveling. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and remember to also share me out and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow. Until next time, see you on my next one and happy travels.